Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the essentials: a config file, server user/password, and a compatible client. First, install the client and grant network permissions. Then import or paste the HTTP custom payload and server address into the app. Make sure you select the correct transport and port. This determines whether the connection will pass your carrier's filters. Once done, save the profile and keep logs enabled for quick troubleshooting. This sets up the starting point for an HTTP custom VPN. Now you focus on the middle steps. Craft the HTTP payload and verify headers. You should set host, method, and any SNI or custom headers that mimic normal web traffic. Next, pick the transport: SSL/TLS if you need encryption, or HTTP Connect for simple tunneling, and choose a working port like 80, 443, or 8080. Configure proxy or SSH tunnel options if your server requires them, and define DNS and route rules so only desired traffic uses the VPN. Finally, start the profile and watch the logs. You'll see handshake and payload exchanges if successful. If the VPN fails, inspect errors, try a different port or change the payload host and SNI, and switch between TCP and SSL/TLS. Make sure your server is online and credentials correct. If problems persist, clear the app cache, restart the device, and re-import a known working config. That often resolves stale settings. Once connected, verify by checking an IP lookup or restricted site access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.